Ever wondered what makes you you? Why are some people naturally outgoing while others are more reserved? Why do you react to situations the way you do? The answer lies in the fascinating journey of personality development. It's a lifelong process, a beautiful, complex dance between our biology, our environment, and our unique life experiences. Let's rewind to the very beginning. From the moment we're born, we have a certain temperament. This is our biological starting point. Think of it as the raw material of your personality. It dictates how sensitive you are, how quickly you react to things, and how well you adapt to new situations. Some babies are calm and easygoing, while others are more intense and reactive. This is temperament in action, and it's the foundation upon which our personality is built. As we grow from infants into toddlers, our world revolves around our caregivers. The bonds we form with them, known as attachment patterns, are incredibly powerful. A secure, loving bond teaches us that the world is a safe place. It helps us learn to manage our emotions, develop a healthy sense of self, and trust others. These early relationships create a blueprint for all our future connections, shaping how we relate to friends, partners, and even ourselves. Now, let's add another layer, learning. Life is our classroom, and we're constantly learning from our experiences. Think about it. When you were a kid, which behaviors got you a smile, a hug, or a reward? You probably repeated those. And which ones led to a frown or a timeout? You likely learned to suppress those. This is conditioning and social reinforcement at play. Over and over, these experiences reinforce certain ways of behaving. These repeated patterns gradually solidify into what we call personality traits. This is how we might become more introverted or extroverted. It's why some of us are very emotionally expressive, while others tend to keep their feelings under wraps. It's the reason some people are naturally assertive, while others are more likely to avoid conflict. These aren't just random preferences. They are patterns carved out by years of reinforcement, shaping us into the person we are today. Our personality is, in many ways, a collection of our most practiced responses to the world around us. But there's another crucial piece to this puzzle: coping mechanisms. Sometimes, what we see as a personality trait is actually a clever survival strategy our younger self developed to navigate a difficult environment. For example, someone who seems withdrawn or overly quiet might have grown up in a chaotic home where being invisible felt like the safest option. Someone who is a chronic people-pleaser might have learned early on that their needs were only met when they put everyone else first. What appears as personality is often a deeply ingrained, adaptive response to our past. It was a strategy that helped us survive. But here's the most empowering part of this whole story. Your personality is not set in stone. It's not a fixed, rigid thing you're stuck with forever. Just because a pattern was helpful in the past doesn't mean it has to define your future. This is where the magic of self-awareness comes in. Through insight, reflection, and sometimes with the help of therapy, we can begin to understand our own patterns. We can see which ones are still serving us and which ones are holding us back. And the science backs this up. Our brains have an incredible ability called neuroplasticity. This means our brain can literally change and rewire itself. Every time you choose a new response, practice a new behavior, or think a new thought, you are physically forging new neural pathways. You are teaching your brain a new way to be. This means psychological growth is possible at any age. You are not simply a product of your past adaptations. You were shaped by them, yes, but you hold the power to change, to grow, and to consciously choose who you want to become. Understanding personality development is understanding the incredible interplay between our experiences, our adaptations, and the power of our choices. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the human mind.